Hi, I'm Alex Podolsky from The Real Scene, here with Asa Butterfield, and I just want to announce the Actors Gym.
Acting classes can get expensive, but this is a modest subscription which keeps you working, keeps you engaged in a community. We will send you scripts, we'll send you self-tapes. So it just really keeps you involved with what you need to be doing as an actor.
Hi, I'm William Moseley. I'm an actor. I was in the Chronicles of Narnia and also The Royals, which is an American TV series. And The Real Scene is going to be providing an actors gym. So that will basically be like a training resource for actors. There'll be hints, there'll be tips, there'll be advice, tutorials, and you'll be able to upload self-tapes and then they'll be reviewed and you can basically track your progress. It's just a great platform to help you and to guide you when you're in your downtime and you're not in class or you want to just get better.
Where's Neil been hiding you than the church? Looks like a bloody vicar, doesn't he? Oh, no, I'm not a vicar. No, I know that. But you look like a vicar and you talk like a vicar. A bloody gay vicar or something.
Hi, I'm David Shull and welcome to the Actors Gym.
Well, I'm not a vicar and I'm not gay.
No, I'm saying you look gay. But you can't be, can you? Because old soppy bollocks here come out your pipe.
If you're looking to improve your self-taping skills or belong to an actors community, you're in the right place.
I don't care if you're having dinner with the Queen of England in Buckingham Palace. Isn't it the police's duty to look after law-abiding families and their businesses?
It's sort of our job to support everyone, really.
Hi, I'm Shobha Kapoor. I'm an actor, and if you're interested in online training, please do check out the Actors Gym.
Hi, my name's James Simpson. I'm a director, producer, writer. Been involved in over 36 movies, including things like Merchant of Venice with Al Pacino, De Niro Pictures, Charlize Theron and Penelope Cruz. Why don't you check out the Actors Gym? It is designed to give that specialism that you would get in a practical course, but is actually online. You can access it anywhere.